Alright, I have good water pressure in my normal shower head. Check this out. That's pretty good. Pretty damn good. Now, I just got this bad boy. This thing's huge! Oxygenics Curve. It's supposed to have 3 wonderful settings for multi-oxygenics, wide stream, and waterfall. Let's see how it works out. Man, this thing is freaking enormous. But it even comes with, they even sent plumber's tape. Look at the, I don't even need to go get mine out of downstairs. And there's 4 simple steps: unscrewing it, flush it, screw the new one on, blickety blam. And then it's 3 settings. So I gotta flush this thing, a couple easy seconds. Yeah, I definitely have good water pressure. Alright, let's install this thing. Ta-da! The babes are going to love this. Alright, here we go. Try to test this thing out. And not get killed by the amazing water pressure that's coming. Oh, look at that. Rainfall mode. So crafty. Alright, with an easy switch of the wrists. Oh, luxurious rain. And over this side. Holy cow. Getting blasted.